Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto for crypto.com to Trust Wallet. First of all, start by selecting account at the bottom, then select crypto wallet and then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then click on the transfer button, then hit withdraw. Now you have to select external wallet. Now if you've got a wallet already in here, you can double check those details, but if not, you want to click on the plus icon to add a new wallet. Once you've got that, you want to select wallet address and then you need to head over to Trust Wallet. Click on the burger menu at the top and type in CRO. Toggle both of these on, select done, hit on the Kronos chain and then select on receive. That will load up this and you just have to copy, and that copies the address. Head back now to crypto.com and paste the address you just have copied into the wallet address area. Then nearing this wallet, just give it the name whatever you want. Then you need to enter two-factor authentication code from Authenticator app, and then you have this page here which will have your wallet. Now I want to withdraw to Trust Wallet, so I hit on withdraw and then I select how much I want to withdraw, which is £50 worth of CR or tokens. Happy with everything, go ahead and hit withdraw. That brings me to the confirm withdrawal page. Check over all the informations including your wallet address, because if you send it to the wrong address you are not getting that back. Now click confirm, enter your passcode, enter your verification codes from your mobile or and the authenticator app, and then your withdrawal request has been submitted. Within 3 to 5 minutes, you should find the CRO here in your Kronos chain on Trust Wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.